Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Dwayne here from markdwayne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. And this is a video that I did on the 5 common online money-making pitfalls and how MAP or Master Affiliate Profits can fix them. And there is resources in the description. So if you want to learn more about MAP or Master Affiliate Profits, I did write a blog post and it is in the description along with some other resources for MAP. So let's go watch that video and then I'll be back.
Hey there, Internet Explorers. Today we're diving into the wild world of online money making and uncovering the top 5 pitfalls that can trip you up. So strap on your hiking boots, grab your bug spray, and get ready for an adventure. Let's explore these pitfalls and discover how MAP can help you avoid them. Alright, let's talk about the first pitfall, the one that traps so many beginners. Shiny object syndrome. This is when you get easily distracted by every new opportunity that promises quick riches. You jump on it thinking, this is the golden ticket, but then another shiny object pops up, and another, and another. It's a never-ending cycle that leaves you exhausted and broke. It's like being a kid in a candy store, except you end up with a stomachache and no money. You spend your time and energy on things that don't bring any real value. You're chasing the next big thing instead of focusing on building a solid foundation. A foundation that can support long-term success and financial stability. MAP helps you cut through the noise and focus on one proven strategy at a time. It's like having a GPS for your online business journey. Think about it, guys. I didn't become Mr. Beast by chasing every crazy trend that came along. I focused on what worked and stuck with it. It gives you the tools and the knowledge to stay focused, avoid distractions, and build a real online business that can actually make you money. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to achieving your goals. So, you've set up your online business, you've got your product or service ready to go, but there's just one problem: crickets. You're getting no traffic, no visitors, no potential customers. MAP teaches you how to get people to actually visit your website and check out what you have to offer. MAP gives you the knowledge and the confidence to reach your target audience and start seeing real results. Let's talk about another frustrating pitfall: low conversion rates. It's a common issue that many businesses face. You're getting traffic to your website, which is a great start. People are clicking on your links, showing interest in your content, but they're not buying anything. Frustrating, right? It feels like all your efforts are going to waste. But don't worry, MAP to the rescue. Just like a superhero swooping in to save the day, MAP dives deep into the psychology of online sales, understanding what makes people click that buy button, teaching you how to optimize your website and your offers, making them irresistible to convert visitors into paying customers. Imagine seeing those dollar signs pop up more frequently. Think of MAP as your secret weapon for turning maybes into yeses. With MAP, you'll have the tools and strategies. You'll learn how to create a sales funnel that is effective and efficient, that guides your visitors towards a purchase, increasing your conversion rates and maximizing your profits. It's like putting together a puzzle that leads to success. Let's be real, the online business world can feel like a jungle of information overload. There are so many courses, strategies, and gurus all claiming to have the magic formula for success. But hold on, that's where MAP steps in to save the day. Think of MAP as your trusted guide through this jungle of information. With MAP, you'll gain the clarity and confidence you need to navigate the online business world without feeling overwhelmed. One of the biggest fears people have about online business is the inconsistency of income. The unpredictability can be daunting, making it hard to plan for the future. One month you're riding high, feeling on top of the world, and the next month you're barely scraping by, wondering how you'll make ends meet. But what if I told you that it doesn't have to be this way? There are strategies and tools that can help you stabilize your income. What if you could create a steady, reliable income stream that you could count on month after month without the constant worry of fluctuations? That's exactly what MAP helps you achieve. It provides a structured approach to building multiple income streams. Imagine having the peace of mind knowing that you have a consistent flow of income coming in, even if one of your income streams slows down. This kind of stability can transform your life. No more income roller coasters, just smooth sailing towards your financial goals. With MAP, you can finally achieve the financial security you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching, folks. If you want to learn more about how MAP can help you avoid these pitfalls and start making real money online, click the link below. Let MAP be your guide, your mentor, and your secret weapon in the exciting world of online business. See you next time.
Okay, I'm back, and that was a video that I did on the 5 common make money online pitfalls and how MAP or Master Affiliate Profits can fix them. And if you want to learn more about MAP, there is a blog post and resources in the description. So check out the resources, stay safe, and have a great day.